StripMeister is the only manufacturing company that uses DC motor technology and variable speed controllers specifically designed for our machines. When stripping wire, it makes no sense to run a wire this small at the same speed as a cable this large. In addition, 90% of the times when you get scrap wire, it's not going to be in a nice spool. It's going to be kinked and twisted. And having a variable speed drive makes stripping wire much more manageable. How would you strip all of this wire at the same speed? All of our machines are equipped with a variable speed controller designed by StripMeister. That means you can power through your largest loads 24 hours a day for years without any worries. Our drives are equipped with a soft starter, a overload protection, and fully fused, which meets the toughest of electrical standards. With extra low-end torque from our exclusive DC motor technology, you can pull bigger, longer cables effortlessly. In addition to the increased low-end torque, DC motors run quieter, they're smaller, and they're also lighter.